do you reckon that thing is? Any ideas? Any takers what that is? Drop a comment down below, because I've got no idea. Oh, fuck it. Fuck. You see what I just did? I just snapped my fucking rod. Fuck. That sucks.
We got that. Ain't got a Benz or a Range Rover, but we got friends coming over. No, we ain't got much cash, but we can work with that. We don't need the things they say we need, 'cause tonight we're living out our dreams. You know I'm all in. Gotta know that we gotta be.
Bush chooks are everywhere. And there's the bush chook pillow.
Got nothing but at least we're free. We got nothing but at least we're free. They're all living for the weekend. We're up all night and then we're sleeping.
Go on, run, you bug.
Putting money in the trust funds, but we got pizza and some spiked punch. I got a new tattoo. I want it green, but it's blue. Oh well. We don't need the things that say we need, 'cause tonight we're living out our dreams. Yeah. Oh, let's get this thing going. Say the word, you know I'm all in. Gotta know that we gotta be. Got nothing but at least we're free. Let's set tonight on fire. Keep getting down to get high. Gotta know that we gotta be. Got nothing but at least we're free. We got nothing but at least we're free. We don't need the things they say we need, 'cause tonight we're living out our dreams. Oh, let's get this thing going.
Well, I'm not sure if like fishing is exercise, but I'm gonna give it a go. I'm walking on the beach. That's gotta be exercise. I'm gonna see if I can get a livey or something. Today I'm just light fishing today. Few herring.
Got nothing but at least we're free. We got nothing but at least we're free.
The tide's coming in.